Hi guys, welcome to our exploration video. I am Atmagiri Fatwa with my friends in group 10 will be your guide throughout this journey. Our team will be consist of me, Atmagiri Fatwa, with Aina Hanania, Fadila Margono, and Anissa Fazila Nihir Harahap. Here, we will show you a little bit of history that has been kept alive inside of the museum. So, get ready to find out something special. Brawijaya Museum is situated in the heart of Malang City. Here, you can see how every object tells a story about how brave our soldiers is when they are fighting for the freedom. To understand more about this museum, let's move to an interview session with our teammate Aina Hanania.
Thank you, Atma, for opening the session earlier. Now, I will continue by learning more from several sources here, including the museum curator and some visitors. So, let's get started. Bapak siapa?
Hasan. Pak Hasan.
Hasan, oke, baik. Saya mau nanya terkait kapan pertama kali Museum Brawijaya dibuka?
Museum dibangun ya pada tahun 1967 hingga 1968.
Jadi selanjutnya saya mau nanya soal harga. Untuk harganya ada nggak perbedaan harga dari weekday sama yang hari kerja?
Sama saja.
Sama saja ya berarti?
Sama saja meskipun TK, SD, SMP, SMA. Biasanya kalau rombongan dapat diskon 10%.
Aina also asked several questions about the Brawijaya Museum, and its guide told her that museum stores a lot of historical collections ranging from colonial era to 1945. The guide mentioned that Indonesia's freedom was declared on August 17, 1945, and the many of the weapons in the museum went back to the time when the country fought for the independence from the colonial rule. The collections are varied from the original weapon used by Indonesian soldiers, such as cannons and the famous bamboo runcing. She asks about the average number of visitors to the Brawijaya Museum during a week. Mr. Hasan said that the number was always the same as it was at that time and would increase by 5 to 10 visitors until the museum closed. Therefore, based on the data we collect at the time, there were 15 visitors including us. So, we obtained data of 20 to 25 visitors per day on average in a week.
What do you think about the Brawijaya Museum as a cultural and historical place?
It's awesome. It's cool.
Okay, for this question, what do you think about the Brawijaya Museum as a cultural and historical place?
Museum Brawijaya is very important cultural and historical place because for education, recreation, and research.
Thank you, Kak Talita.
That's our visit and interview session then inside Museum Brawijaya. On this journey, we have encountered not just the material artifacts of history, but also stories and lessons that help to make our nation. Let's hope the visit motivates further young folks to discover and learn from the history preserved here.